Hello, and welcome to today's lesson. Have you ever wondered what it takes to be a brave police officer? In today's story, you'll not only learn about a courageous policeman, but also improve your English with new vocabulary and expressions. Let's dive into the exciting story of Officer John, the hero of the town. Once upon a time in a peaceful town, there lived a brave policeman named Officer John. He was known for his honesty, courage, and dedication to his duty. Every morning, Officer John would wake up early, put on his uniform, and head out to patrol the streets, making sure everyone in the town was safe. One day, while patrolling, Officer John noticed something unusual. A small crowd had gathered near a bank, and there was a sense of panic in the air. He quickly realized that the bank was being robbed. Without wasting any time, he called for backup and moved closer to the scene. Inside the bank, the robbers were holding people hostage, demanding money, and threatening to hurt anyone who disobeyed them. Officer John remained calm and focused. He knew that the lives of innocent people were in danger, and he had to act wisely. Using his training, Officer John managed to communicate with the robbers without putting anyone at risk. He negotiated with them, buying time until more officers arrived. With a smart plan in place, the police surrounded the building, ensuring no one could escape. After a long and tense standoff, the robbers surrendered. Officer John and his team moved in, arrested the criminals, and rescued the hostages. The town was safe again, thanks to Officer John's bravery and quick thinking. The townspeople cheered for Officer John, calling him a hero. But with a humble smile, he said, "I'm just doing my job. Protecting and serving my community is what I signed up for." From that day on, people in the town admired the work of police officers even more, understanding how important their role is in maintaining peace and safety. Officer John continued to serve the town with pride, always ready to help those in need. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning English through the story of Officer John. Don't forget, police officers play a vital role in keeping our communities safe. If you learned something new today, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more stories that help you improve your English and gain more knowledge. See you in the next video.